How do you study in Spain?
I think that it is pretty nice. Also, our university is a public university, so it is pretty affordable. Also, you can study either in Spanish or in English, or here you can study too in Basque. That is a language that is from this part of Spain. Many different degrees that you can study here. You have mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, electronics engineering, telecommunications engineering. So there is a broad offer of degrees in here. In this part of Spain, there is a lot of industrial companies. So it is a pretty good place to study engineering because afterwards there are a lot of working opportunities. And also when you are studying, you can also do like a scholarship in those companies, which is a pretty good option. In Bilbao, there is a pretty good nightlife. So as a student, that is also an important part. So it's a perk.
There are a lot of opportunities to study abroad instead of studying everything here. We've got a lot of contacts with other universities. And we have a lot of labs to practice the, for example, fluid dynamics labs, material labs, physics, and so on. And they're also useful to apply them in rockets.
Are you in touch with other universities or alumni or space agencies?
We have a lot of alumni that are working on many companies that are related to aerospace agencies. For example, we've got some members that are working on Airbus and other companies which are our sponsors, as Sener, Atlantis, and so on. There are another ones who are making or designing some parts for airplanes.
Usually, it is a good idea to be part of a team like BiSKY Team if you want to work afterwards in the aerospace industry, because in the end, you know a lot of people that have the same interests about aerospace, rockets, and these kind of things. And it's a good place to do networking. And also some of our sponsors are related with aerospace, and they hire people that has been in the team. So yes, it is a pretty good idea to take part in a rocketry team.
How did you prepare for university? Which high school did you attend?
In my case, I attended the high school of my town. It isn't a special high school, but yes, that's mostly it. Also, before starting university, I already knew that I wanted to study engineering and that I wanted to work in space-related things. So you can always learn about these kind of things before entering university through reading books and watching YouTube videos and documentals. So I would say that is like the preparation that I had before university.
In my case, it was the same. I went to a high school here in my town, and it was not special of aerospace. I was so interested since I was so young on this sector, and I was always watching some films related to this, documentals, reading books, and that was my preparation also.